How's it going, YouTube? Bronco Outdoors here. Today we have another car gadget review, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Ediag Elite from KINGBOLEN. This is an OBD2 diagnostic tool, and it claims to turn your smart device into a professional technician's diagnostic tool. Pretty impressive claims. I am interested to see what it's all about, so let's go ahead, unbox it, and get started. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the instructions manual. Let's set the device aside. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and just follow step 1, 2, it's different languages. Okay, we only have this top part to worry about. Okay, so first step is to download the Ediag app. So I'll go ahead and put that on the screen now. Use that. Obviously for this device, you're going to need a smartphone companion and scan that QR code just like that. And that should forward me over to the Play Store just like that. And that's what the app looks like. So we'll go ahead and install that now. Now the instructions do say to open the Ediag app and click sign up on their app. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Open it up. Guess we'll go ahead and click the person. So now it's asking us for an account, so we'll go ahead and click register now. It's gonna ask for our email. All right, and just like that, we've already logged in, so we are done with step 1. Let's move on to step 2, which is to activate your Ediag Elite. And click on the plus in the top right corner, and we're gonna add the device. And then you can see the view the activation code in the manual. That's what we're looking for, so we'll go ahead and click on the QR code scanner, and we'll hit only this time for now. And then that's where you're going to want to scan the QR code that's on the front. There you go. Grab that, nice and quick and easy. And there you go. We have been successfully binded. So I think we're good to go and move on to step 3, which is insert the Ediag Elite device into the OBD2 port in your vehicle. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take our device, and right under the steering wheel and the footwell of the driver's side, at least on my vehicle, is the port. So you can kind of match it up there and just go ahead and plug it in. And there we go. The green light does indicate that there is power, so it is powered on. So let's go ahead and check out what's going on in the app. And it looks like it's scanning for Bluetooth connections. There it goes. It does find it, so we'll go ahead and pair. Bluetooth connected, so that's awesome. Tapping on all system diagnostics. We'll tap on go. It's gonna go ahead and detect our VIN. It's just running us through what we're going to expect. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Ford Bronco Sport 2021. That is accurate. That is indeed my VIN number. I'll obviously blur that out. Okay, so now we're receiving some instructions from the app saying to set the ignition switch to on. So we'll go ahead and start the car. You can go ahead and hit OK. And there we have it, our diagnostic trouble code list of all the tests that it ran. But we do have one abnormality, so we can actually drill into that and see what that's about. You can see module information, read fault code, clear fault memory, read data stream, and special functions. We'll go ahead and read the fault code, get right to the point. Looks like we have this one right here. We'll go ahead and tap on that, see what the vehicle is telling us. And there we have it, description, battery voltage. Okay, so we have our DTC code right up there in the top. So that's what you want to plug into Google. But because of the convenience of the KINGBOLEN Ediag app, we can actually tap on this code, gives us some information, and hit search right in the bottom. It actually pulls it up on Google all by itself. Convenient You don't have to copy paste nothing. It says a Ford car battery should have a voltage of 12.77, 12.65 volts. Looks like it's something to do with my battery. So that might be something to look into. Looks like the charge is not holding quite well, or is below what it's rated. That's awesome. That honestly gave me the answer right there. I didn't have to do any research, go to my computer or anything like that. Straight from the app, can hit search and pull up what that code is. All right, so coming back to that abnormality, we want to actually check what's our battery voltage reading. Now you can get a battery tester, of course, voltmeter, whatever it is, but this does it all within this tool. It's awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and click read data stream. So this is gonna pull off live data straight off the car's computer and pull it onto our phone so we can take a look at it. We actually have everything that you can look at here, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a search just to make it a little more convenient. I'm just gonna type in volt, system battery voltage. We'll check that and hit OK. And there we go. We are getting a live reading of what our car battery is at, saying 14.3, 14.4 volts. And if we want to plot that over a graph, we can certainly do that. And let's see if we can make any difference when we step on the gas. Slight difference there. You can see in the graph that it did flatline, so I guess it was getting a good charge there. Yeah, steady 14.4 volts. So at least I know my alternator is doing well, but we'll have to take a look at that battery. But still, super convenient that I can pull this all up on my phone. So taking a further look inside the app, we do have some common functions, and if we go into that, we can see we have a bunch of resets that are super useful. So we have battery reset, what do we got? Electronic throttle relearn, TPMS reset, gearbox learn, Windows calibration, airbag sensor reset, gear learn. So we have a lot of resets we're able to do straight from the app, all built in. Again, absolutely incredible. All right, and before we close this video out, I do want to read some live engine data. So to do that, I'm going to jump inside the all-wheel drive #1 module, open that up. We're going to read data stream, and again, we have plenty of things we can look at, but they're all within different menus, so you really do have to know kind of where you're looking, but it makes it really easy to kind of search around for what you're looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab engine RPM and engine coolant temperature. That's a good one. Okay, now that we've gotten those, we can see we are pulling our live data, and I'm going to go ahead and click the graph for the engine RPM, and I'm going to step on the gas. Here we go. I'll try to stabilize it here. There you go, that's awesome. So we are definitely able to pull that live off the computer. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine coolant temperature. We are reading 172.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can track that over time while you're driving down the road. Again, best part about this, you can leave it in. You can have a passenger pull up the app and do any of the diagnostics that you're looking for while you're driving. See if your car's overheating, when, why, all those kinds of things. So in conclusion, I think this product is awesome. I think it really delivers on everything it says that it does. And again, it works for pretty much any vehicle, and straight to your smartphone, which we all have. And there's no better device to kind of look at all these data and trouble codes and things like that. It makes it super simple. You have internet access right here. So pretty simple, clear codes. I like it a lot. I think the Ediag Elite from KINGBOLEN, I think it's a win. I think this is definitely a good purchase. I'm actually probably going to leave it in my vehicle just so I can always read any data that I want to. Again, I was seeing things crazy you never even expect, like the Bluetooth sensitivity, the strength, the Wi-Fi cell signal strength, things like that you'd never expect to have to look at. But if you were curious, now you have the ability to. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you being here. If you are interested in learning more about the Ediag Elite from KINGBOLEN, you can click the video link description down below. Again, there's only so much I can cover in these videos, and this device is definitely capable of a lot. So you can click the video description and click the link. It'll take you straight to their store where you can learn more about it or purchase one if you are interested. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.